Hello all, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the official platform of our coaching classes. Today we are going to practice some of the questions regarding the sum of the series of an arithmetic progression. Right? So let us start. Okay, see what we have. We have to solve this question. Find the sum of the following arithmetic series and write it in the summation notation. Right? Getting my point? What I have to do? I have to do two things. I have to first of all write it, write the find the sum of the series or the arithmetic progression and then write it in the summation notation. Let us do one by one each of the question. First part. So we have to find the sum. So we have 4, comma 11 up to 16 terms. Right? This way. So see, there are two things we need to first of all make sure so that we can easily find the sum. We have to make sure that we have the value for the A, we have the value for the D, and we have the value for the number of terms which is directly given. Right? So three things to be kept in mind. So then we have the formula Sn equals n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Right? Okay. See. So what we have. So here according to the question, A is 4, D is what? 11 minus 4, which is 7, and N is what? 16. Now putting these values in this first equation. So putting the values in the first equation results as 16 over 2, 2 times 4 plus 15 times 7. Right? So then I can solve 16 over 2, 8 plus 105. So I got 8 times how much? 113. And then when I find 8 times 113, then I got how much? 8 threes are 24, 2 to the carry, right? Okay, so 2 to the carry, right? So then it would be simply what? See what we have. Again, let us check what we have done wrong, probably. So see n over 2, which is 16 over 2, 2 times a, which is 2 times 4, d is what? 7, and n is what? 16, right? So then 15 times d is 7, right? Okay, so we have solved this. So we got 16 over 2, 4 times 2 is 8, 15 sevens are. Okay, so 15 sevens are, and then 2 fours are, which is 8, right? So then we got how much? 113 times 8, correct? So 113 times 8, which is nothing but how much? 8 threes are 24, 8 ones are 8 and 2 10, 1 to the carry, 8 ones are 8 of 1 9. Oh, so perfectly we have doesn't do anything wrong. Probably we are just making some mistakes in calculating the final answer. So we have correct final answer as 901 904. Now we have to also write this whole sequence into this whole this quotient into the summation form. So summation form, that means I need to find a root for the summation. Correct? So now let us decode how to find the root. So what we have, 16 over 2. So basically, and then 2 times a plus n minus 1 times d. correct? So then instead of finding the n value explicitly, I'm writing the n value as n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times t, and then putting all the values except n. So then n over 2, which is 2 times 4 plus this n minus 1 times 7, right? So I got how much? N over 2. I got 8 plus 7n minus 7. So I got n over 2. I got 7n minus 1. Correct? Yeah. So then, and then also I know that, so basically n is going from n equals 1 to 16. We got 7n minus 3. Right? So this would be the general summation term for the problem. Okay. Now let us do the next one. Compute 3, 8.5, and so on up to 20 terms. Right? Okay. So 8.5 up to 20 would be how much? So we have to calculate the sum of the following sequence, right? So see, what was A? We have to give three things. So A is 3, D is what? 5.5, and N is 20, right? So since N is 20, I got Sn equals 2 n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times t, right? So then Sn equals 20 over 2, 2 times 3 plus 19 times d, which is nothing but 11 by 2, right? So once I solve this, I got 20 over 2, 6 plus, so I got 19 times 11 over 2, right? And actually, when I simplify this, I got how much? I got 1105. And then now the sum pattern. So pattern would be summation n equal 1 to 20, 11 by 2n minus 5 over 2. So this would be the pattern. Okay. So this way we have done the second problem, right? Okay. Now fill in the gaps like negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 12, right? So we have to actually find the sequence, right? Fill in the gaps. Okay. So see what was the case. See, we have three things again. So we need to find. So A is what? Negative 3. D we don't know till now. N we know, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So I know that A7 is 12. And I know A7 means A plus 6D is 12. So I know A is negative 3, so plus 6D is 12. So I got 6D equals 15. So I got D equals 15 over 6. So that means we got 5 over 2, right? So that means 2.5, right? Correct? So D is 2.5. So now the next term would be minus 3 plus 2.5. So that means minus 3 plus 5 by 2. which is nothing but negative half, right? And then negative half plus 2 and a half. So then it would be simply 2. So then sequence completes. So we have negative half, comma 2, comma 9 over 2, comma 7, comma 19 over 2. So this would be the idea. How do we decode this problem, right? Okay. Okay, so now the next question, that how many terms of the arithmetic progression, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, will give the sum as 961, right? Okay. So see how many terms of an AP. So again here the question is now reversed completely. Now instead of finding the sum of the series, the sum is directly given and we need to find that how many terms that make up the sum to this, right? So then basically what we do, so we again apply the same formula, but instead of finding the sum, we just put the sum value and find the value for the n in the reverse process, right? So what is the idea? See, Sn equals n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 d, right? So I got 961 equals, and we need to find, I know a is 1, I know that n we need to find, and d is what, 2. So I simply substitute. So I got 961 equals n over 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. So I got 961 equals n over 2 times 2n, right? So I got 961 equals n square. So I got n equals under root 961, which is nothing but 31. So I got the sum as 31. So in this way, we have practiced 3 to 4 questions based upon the sum of the series, right? Okay. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like it, then do share and subscribe the channel, and just follow my Instagram and Facebook pages for more such updates. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.